very serious thing more I'm telling you about for it. Don't ever see the sky so pretty and bright and sunny and you think say it's a hot, nice, sunny day. Cause right now me have to hurry up. As we say we are trying to walk up and down the forest like we lost in a forest. But rain, right now fine drizzling raindrops are pour down. So always know say sometimes you see place are bright, hot and sunny, it can just change within seconds. So me I say, I never know if I really rain or what. Or if a Babylon make something for you fall down. But I don't know cause kind of strange. The Jamaica me used to the place get overcast and then rain clouds. But I don't know how I go on in a foreign. Right now, drizzling raindrops. So me I hurry up because I drive. I tell them precisely we got the youth them. Always get a youth so you can do it. You get to me and say, don't ever make nobody give you the feeling say you can't. If I can, sure you can. Tell them precisely. What's the great way the gateway of all the sunshine we make air. Big up all the people who supporting greatness ever since. Yes. Yeah man. Thanks for people who follow and who been subscribing to my thing. You don't know. Success is a must, winning is a must. In the most I, Almighty I, put my trust. Tell them precisely. Big respect.